We have a very interesting issue here. Not sure if you can see on the video, but the wheel of this truck is very tilted, and this is due to the upper control arm broken off from the frame mounting point. In fact, the actual frame broke off because it rotted through. We're going to be fixing this. We're going to be cutting up the frame and welding new pieces to it in order to put this back on the road. So we have a broken off control arm with the bracket. That's quite a job. So it looks like there was water pulling up right under the control arm here, and it rotted out right here. There was a hole, and then this whole structure here was weak due to that hole in the middle, and then it took one pothole to just rip out. One probably big pothole, but anyhow, that's what happened, and we're gonna fix this. Yeah, not that great. We've cleaned up the surface here. It looks like it's not too bad. Don't need to cut out a lot. You can probably get it done fairly easily. We have prepared the surface, cut out all the rotten pieces to the thick, good metal. So now ready for some fabrication and welding. So the magnet is holding this little plate that we made for this frame to fill that hole, the rotten out hole. Now ready to weld it. So now the surface has been prepared for welding a bracket on. Now time for fabrication of the bracket. Now fabricating the mount for that control arm, the mounting place. Basically cutting out of this square tube. Mission complete. cutting the slot for the cam bolt in order to be able to do alignment on this truck. So our bracket is ready to be welded. This and this are two separate pieces, and they're gonna get welded together right in the middle here. And that's the bracket for the control arm bushing. Nice and beautiful, deep penetrated weld. Bracket has been fabricated. Beautiful. Alignment can be done with ease. This is in fact much stronger version of what was on the car, on the truck. So this piece will be positioned here somewhere. We still have to measure up where it's gonna be sitting. It has been tacked in place with the control arm installed in both brackets. Beautiful. Now we gotta just weld it down, and that's it. All welded through. Ready to be painted. Bracket has been painted. Control arm installed. It's almost ready to be driven. The truck is now back on the road. Customer is happy. Another vehicle saved. Thanks for watching and have a great day.